So this is the way to replace the countershaft seal on a Yamaha FZ6. Basically what you have to do, this is the part number. So basically what you have to do is to remove the front sprocket. From here you remove this, and then you'll need to drill a hole in the old gasket, put a screw through it so you can like pull it out, and then grab your pliers. All you have to do is to pull a little stronger, and then you remove the old seal. And this is the old seal. That's why it was leaking on my bike, because it got bad. And this is the new seal. So this part came off my new seal. So that's how you remove this seal of your Yamaha FZ6 2007. I think it goes for every year, but that's how you do it. That's the bike, and all you need to do is to remove your sprocket, the chain of the sprocket, drill the hole, put the screw through the hole, pull the old seal out, and then you'll drive this new seal with a socket the same size of the seal.